That is great. I love this. Hello, Drone Racers. I'm Mark, and today on Drone Racer 101, we're going to take a look at a bag. I mean, it's just a bag, but I'm kind of excited about it. It might be really, really handy. So this is the X-Lite bag from Realacc. So I got one of these when I saw it became available because I think it might be really useful. So to get this out of the way, this is the stock X-Lite bag, and it is quite a bit smaller. I really like the stock X-Lite bag. It's small, it's convenient, it's easy to grab, except it doesn't come with a handle for it. And compared to this also stores your goggles. So it comes with this. I don't know what this is. Somebody tell me what that is. This is a shoulder strap, so you can carry this around. And this is supposed to be the real trick. This will hold the X-Lite. Let me stick my X-Lite in there just to see how this goes. I have not tried this yet. Let's see, if I put my gimbal protectors on it, I always like to have my gimbal protectors on it here. And that will go and help hold that in place. There's a spot for my modules, my R9M module. So that will go, oh, there's actually room for several in there. So I've got the new 2.4 gigahertz multi-protocol one there. That'll fit there. Fit a couple of them in there. I've got room in top here, plenty of room for my TBS Diamond and whatever else I need. And I've got this whole spot over here, which is supposed to be for my goggles. Now, it would be really bonkers amazing if I could get this in here and not have to take the antennas off. That's not, unfortunately, going to happen. So I do have to take the antennas off. This is one where these are SMA connectors. I'd prefer these be RPSMA connectors. Ooh, I tightened that one good. There we go. So then I've got my battery in there. I've got my goggles. I've got, oh, it's on the charger. You see how convenient that was? It was on my USB charger. I love these batteries. So then I can even put probably right in here my antennas and put that on there. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. So now I have a total grab and go bag. If I put this is actually a really nice strap. It's silky. Ooh, it's silky. It's even a nice clasp. So we'll clip this on here. There we go. Slide this over. It's even the shoulder strap, the rubber mount is even on the right side here. Yeah, there we go. And I've got my antennas and my radio and my goggles and everything all ready to go, and it's nice and held in place. And then on the outside here, I believe what this is for. So I think what I can do here, oh yeah, look at that. I need to loosen it just a little bit. Oh, look at that. That is great. I love this. So this is not going to be good for a full day of flying. This is not what this is for. But when I'm going to go out and fly a couple packs at lunch, I can just grab this, or if I'm going to the office and I want to take it with me, I can just grab this and go and not have a big pile of stuff. I need this, and then I'll grab my cheap little fireproof bag with my batteries in it. I've got everything ready to go, and that looks so nice. It's way better than a giant backpack full of stuff that I don't need. I honestly didn't even realize it had this strap on here for the drone. Okay. Yeah, I get excited sometimes, but that's just really cool. That is really, really handy. So when I get there, then I just open it up, and I've got my radio and my goggles all ready to go, and I've got batteries. I could probably, no, I can't really fit batteries in there. Yeah, this is totally going to replace this, because I usually keep a separate bag for my goggles, or I just leave them and carry them around, and man, that is sweet. And then there's this. So I had to go look at the website, because apparently this is kind of just an alternate version of this. If for some reason you can't use that first strap, you can clip this on here, and yeah, I don't really like this strap. This strap can go around, but then it holds the top down. You'd have to take it off. I think I'd prefer to have it around the other side. There, so now I've got this on this side, which I think will be perfect for most drones. But then I've got this on this side, so if I want to hang something off of this or attach another one, so I want to take two, one on each side, I guess I could do that. I don't know if I really need this. The other thing I just realized is these are 18500 size, so you can keep an extra set of batteries in here. That would be handy just to, if you are going to be flying longer, to always have an extra set of batteries and keep them right here in this case. It's got the finger strap here, so you don't have to grab a hold of the gimbals or the sticks. So I had one of these similar in the past for my radio, but I always end up grabbing the sticks. With this, I like that I can just slide that in there and knock that out. I really like this a lot. Yeah, I am just super impressed with this. So there's a simple product review. Man, I wish I could do them all this fast, then maybe I'd have one every day. But if you found this useful, leave a like and a comment down below, and let me know, what would you put on this strap? Just hang another drone on here, or can you think of something more useful? So until next time, remember, I don't think I'm ever going to use this again. I was really super impressed when it came out, and now this is completely going to replace that for sure.